Hey fam, I'm back again, back with another beautiful DIY project from me, DIY Home Projects SA. That's a mouthful. I could have actually posted this last week when I was posting my DIY Canadian smoked cushion, smoked pillow, but I didn't actually have the time. I don't know if you remember that I had a very difficult time posting last week's video. I was just all over the place and couldn't post in time. I had to post it last Saturday and I wasn't happy about that. I promised you guys to give this video my best, and yes, so a very quick fast forwarded video of how I did this. Very simple, very quick. And now to this wonderful, soft and also luxurious, I love the word luxury, also this luxurious, bespoke, whatever you want to call it, cushion. I did the cover, not the actual cushion, I did the cover. I bought the cushion inner, the insert, from Sheet Street for only 50 rands, which is very reasonable given the size of this cushion. So I got that from Sheet Street, and you guys, I'm still very new to sew. I don't have all the materials I need to do that. The main thing being the sewing machine. I don't have that, so I had to hand sew all of this. Plus the thread that I used is red. I ran out of thread because I only just bought a small sewing kit from Pep Home, but that worked. I'm here with this DIY. So like I told you before, I'm not gonna let anything come in between me finishing renovating and decorating this room that I have been so blessed to have. So I'm taking the time, which I don't have, and the money, which I also don't have, to try and make this a beautiful sanctuary for me to rest in when I come back from all the busyness that I get up to during the day. So I want it to be very inviting for me. I want to feel special in this room every time I get to sleep. So yes, let's get in on the video. I could go on and on about everything, but I'll do a voice over on the video on the parts that I feel that are necessary, or I could just do a voice over on the whole video. Guys, the zipper is just, it's working. Yabereka, you know, there's no hassle. It's actually my first time inserting a zipper, so I'm very proud of myself yet again. I'm very proud of myself for doing this. This whole changing this room thing has gotten me to explore my creativeness and what I'm willing to do to get to what I want. You know, I've always known that I go through extreme measures to get to what I want. Not extreme in a negative way, but extreme as in I would do anything to get what I want, if it's okay to do what I want to get to what I want to do. So I'm still amazed at myself. But over the years, I'm only realizing that over the years I have been doing things myself. It's just that I haven't been putting it on record. I haven't been filming all the things that I have been capable of doing myself. I could easily go into a shop and buy most of those things, but why not do it yourself? You know, why not have the pride of looking at something that you've done yourself? It's an inexplainable feeling that I get from being so satisfied in having completed something that I did, something that I started myself and finished, and it looks good. I must admit, not everything looks like 100% to my standards, but it's still enough. You know, I have the confidence of showing it to you, of showing you my flaws, just being raw with you, and I truly enjoy that. So I'm tired of saying so, because that's me thinking. Yes, just let's watch this DIY of my cushion. Don't forget to do this every time you get in on my channel. If this is your first time, you better make sure you have subscribed, you have clicked that notification bell to know when I'm back. But I'm obviously back on Friday, so I'll see you next Friday after this video. But if you've been with me, that means you're subscribed, you have commented already during you watching this video of how cute I look today, and also on how much you're looking forward to seeing all of this. Also, you've liked the video, and I mean the bell is already on because you are here with me. I love you, fam, and enjoy. I'll see you next Friday. Bye. Okay fam, so over here I'm just measuring out the fabric that I was using, and I ended up having the length of 60 centimeters and 55 centimeters for the width of the material. I quickly pinned down the zipper to help me to be able to use it as a guide for sewing. When I started sewing the zipper, I only realized afterward that I didn't need to sew down the sides first. I had to insert the zipper and then sew down the sides. But because I wasn't using a sewing machine, and also because the bottom was folded down, it wasn't going to be possible for me to first start by inserting the zipper. So yes, I trialed and errored through how to insert it with all the sides already in, and it worked out. You will see me over there that I leave a bit of some excess material, excess fabric for the zipper to close down without having it showing. So when you zip it down, it doesn't show, it just covers it nicely. And I only remembered to copy my existing cushion that I bought, so it wasn't sewn by me, only after I had done this. So whenever I get a sewing machine, I'll be sure to try inserting a zipper with the method that I saw on the cushion that I already have. But this is going to work so long, and it turned out very nice, very beautiful. It's functional. The zip is very functional. I mean, you can see it here that it's functioning. I even showed you on my introduction that it is functioning, and One thing I love about this is the material. Despite the cushion cover being as simple as being rectangular, square-ish, it's just the material for me. It's super beautiful. I wish you could be able to see it live, because it's a mixture of leather and a bit of suede, which I feel complements the velvet headboard as well as the Canadian cushion that I recently DIY'd. As I've mentioned before, I got the cushion insert from Sheet Street. It was very reasonably priced, and it was so easy to put it up into the cover, and I know for sure I'll be able to wash this cover without any hassle, and I won't be lazy to do it because it's so easy to put it on and off, to put the insert on and off of the cover. So I took a quick video showing you both the cushions that I did over the past 2 weeks, and you guys, I am so proud of myself. I've never been happier to have DIY'd something so simple yet so satisfying, and I hope to see you soon. See you next Friday. Enjoy your weekend and DIY something. Bye.